Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by selecting the elements you want grouped and convert them into a frame with auto layout. Press Shift+A to apply it quickly. Once done, choose the direction: horizontal for rows, vertical for columns, and set primary alignment so items flow predictably. Make sure to define padding and item spacing now, because these base values govern breathing room as you add components. You'll save time later by establishing gaps and constraints up front to keep the layout consistent. Next, adjust each child layer's sizing. Pick fixed for exact pixels, hug contents to wrap text, or fill container to stretch. Once configured, set constraints so elements lock to edges or stay centered when the parent resizes. If you need complex combinations, nest auto layout frames. Put a horizontal group inside a vertical one, for instance, and manage spacing at each level. This lets you build modular components that respond predictably across variants and screen sizes. To finish, validate by resizing the parent frame and watching how children react. This confirms your intended behavior. If items overlap or collapse, inspect child sizing, switch between hug contents and fixed, or enable wrapping for horizontal groups. Make sure alignment and padding values are consistent and use the Inspect panel to read exact numbers. If layout still breaks, detach a problematic child, reapply auto layout with corrected settings, and then renest it. This often clears stubborn constraint conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.